Now, once again, we are going to have a quiz, and Barkha will take over, and she will have some questions with her. So I hope everybody participate in this.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So again, we'll be having a very interesting quiz. Rules are very simple. You have to participate and you have to enjoy. So what you have to do is, there are certain words, new words we have learned during COVID, during this pandemic. So let's see how many words do you identify. Are we ready?
Yes.
Yes, yes, we are ready.
Only one?
You're trying it.
Okay, kindly unmute so that we can have participation in this quiz. So, before the first word comes, please identify the word.
That's pandemic. That's
Pandemic.
pandemic.
Yes.
Everybody is bored. Let's go for the second one.
Lockdown.
COVID-19.
Lockdown. It's lockdown.
Lockdown.
All are suffered.
Lockdown.
Social distancing.
Social distance.
All trained.
Quarantine.
Quarantine.
Great. This is going very rapidly, ma'am. Okay.
COVID-19.
COVID-19.
19.
I see a lot of participants.
Remdesivir.
Remdesivir.
Sorry?
Remdesivir.
Mycomycosis. Mycosis.
Mucormycosis. Yes, mucormycosis. Black fungus.
Asymptomatic.
Asymptomatic.
Yeah.
Containment zone.
Containment.
Excellent. This one.
Wuhan.
China virus Wuhan.
It's a Chinese virus.
Wonderful quiz, I think so far. Everybody was very, very
Yes, so I think you all enjoyed. Or these words have really come into our vocabulary these days. So when I was talking to Barkha and she was saying that, yes, we can go in for this and hopefully they will understand. I said, I am 100% sure. Even a small child is going to answer all these things. क्योंकि ये इतने ज़्यादा हमारे डिक्शनरी में अभी आ गए हैं. जब पहले क्वारंटीन हमने सुना था या बहुत सारी मेडिसिन के नाम सुने, आइवरमेक्टिन वगैरह, ये सब इतना रोज के लिए जैसे एक वर्ड्स हो गए हमारे लिए. And Wuhan, we were thinking probably Wuhan is the most difficult one, but no, everybody knows Wuhan lab was so famous now. So yes, now we all know that these are our emotions which we face, especially those who have gone through this COVID, the disease, and this anxiety, overthinking, negativity, panic, depression, fear, anger, all these, ये सारे emotions इनमें से कई जो थे इमोशंस ये हमने सबने फील किए. नेगेटिविटी बहुत ज्यादा हो गई थी कि कैसा होगा. वी वर सो एंग्शियस, एवरी डे वी वर पैनिकिंग. कहीं एंड ऑल दोस जिनको नहीं हुआ था दे वर थिंकिंग कि हमें ना हो जाए, यू नो. सो वी वर ट्राइंग, एवरीबडी वाज trying to keep themselves, and all those who were even suffering from that, they were also going through all these thing. And all the more the anxiety and the panic, all the more their health was going down. That was seen because jo panic nahi kar rahe the, because what had happened, oxygen nahi hai. Suddenly they have come to know that there are no beds in the hospital. That anxiety grew up, and all the more it did, the detrimental effects were there. The moment they came to know that oxygen is not available, cylinders are over, it was a terrible time. Definitely it was something very abnormal situation was there, and that was the time when we were really tested. What will happen next? So that was the time, if a person knew how to control his emotions, how to express that time his emotions, so they were in a much better way, like those who knew how to control it. Now, what happens when negative thoughts overpower us? Yes, can anyone tell what happens? नेगेटिविटी जब आ जाती है हमारे मन में, बहुत नकारात्मक भावनाएं होती हैं.
There is a sense of depression.
Yes.
You don't like to live your life. You cannot live your life
Normally.
in a manner.
You usually have a fear of, like if we talk about COVID only, fear of going outside, fear of meeting people. You always have a thought that you might become ill again. So that's a point of
Yes.
negativity in your mind.
Ma'am,
Yes.
basically you have a fear of death.
Yeah, fear of death. Yeah, ultimate thing. True. So many things, and you can say in one word. Yeah, Barkha, you can bring that. The answer is that you are away from values. What you had, what you were thinking, that goes away. You know what, like suicidal thoughts. Very right. You never had that experience before, but when the negative thoughts overpower you, you feel like finishing everything. Yeah, and what else? Away from family and friends. You don't want to talk to them. You want to be away from them, you know, because that negativity is all around you. Yes. When we get hooked, our behavior changes. We often start doing things that make our lives worse. All the more that vicious circle that goes on and on, you know. So that we have to be be in control of these negative thoughts. Yes. Now, yeah, steps to protect your mental health from pandemic. How we can protect our mental health. Yeah, you may experience increased stress during this pandemic. Fear and anxiety can be overwhelming. That is and the cause of strong emotion. So increasing your mental health is the key to deal with pandemic, because our mind and body, they are in relation. If we are healthy mentally, we will be healthy physically. And if we are healthy physically, we will be healthy mentally. So they both, mind and body relationship, they are totally interlinked with each other. So when we take care of our mental health, definitely we can deal with this pandemic in a more effective way. Yes. Now, how to do that? Yes, that is important. How to do that? What we have to do, all this, how we have to go with all these things. Now, the main question is, सभी के मनों में आता है कि कब ये दिन खत्म होंगे? When will things go back to normal? You know, this is a very big question. From the last 1.5 years, we are facing this. जब 2020 का end आया, December, November, December, we were thinking, bas, ab khatam. New year will bring new hopes, new things. But aisa nahi hua. New year, that is the 21, second wave आई, and all the more it was detrimental to everyone. So, you know, our human body is a complex system. There are different coping strategies. Yes. So basically there are 3 types: fight, flight or freeze. हमारे सामने कभी भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है, whenever there is a problem in front of us, either we fight with that problem, हम उससे लड़ते हैं, or we flight, हम वो जगह छोड़ के चले जाते हैं, or we freeze मतलब कुछ नहीं करते, we are just freeze. And very nice, Barkha has made a very beautiful PPT, this one, that we are fighting, we are flight, and we are going to freeze. And these are our natural alarm system. हमारे बॉडी के ये नेचुरल अलार्म सिस्टम है. जब कोई भी कैलामिटी होती है, whenever there is a calamity, like for example, if there is a fire, we know how to get safe from that fire. If there is a flood, हमें मालूम है कि पानी से कैसे बचना, आग से कैसे बचना. If there is earthquake, what all we have to do, because they are all our natural alarm systems. But now this coronavirus, this was something very unusual. It was not natural. Our body never knew how to react to this times, you know, with this sudden upcoming situation. And then we were trying to teach our body how to behave, you know. So like what were those things? Because our body never knew how to behave, because these were never a dangerous situation. Dangerous is something like fire, the water. These are the dangerous thing, and our body knows it. But fighting with a virus, something was not a dangerous thing. Our body never knew how to react to that. So what we did through our actions, we taught our bodies. Like for example, checking our mask before leaving home. ये काम हम पहले कभी नहीं करते थे, है ना. मास्क बहुत मैंने तो for example myself, very late I learned to wear a mask. मास्क नहीं पहन पाते थे because that was not in our behavior. We never knew. But then we learned this action. And now what is the thing? That in every purse, in every bag, whatever I carry, 4 or 5 bags, in every bag, there is a mask and a sanitizer, you know, and I think everybody is doing the same thing. So we are checking mask, bahar nikalne ke pehle, arey mask nahi liya. Again, we are running back home, taking the mask. So this is something, these reactions, we are trying to teach our body, which was never before. Continuously sanitizing our hand. हमने किसी से कुछ लिया, sanitize किया. You know, so that we are trying to do. Avoiding going to restaurants and friends get together. Yes, ये सबसे this is something very, very making us very, very sad, because we can't go to eating joints, or we are unable to meet our friends. And now we are locked up in homes. So these are something which we are learning slowly, right? Avoiding crowded places. Yes, crowded places. Now something it has happened. The moment you go into the crowd, you yourself become anxious. Myself, I'm taking my example. अपना ही मैं उदाहरण लेके बता रही हूँ कि जहाँ भी हमें भीड़ दिखती है, अब वहां जा नहीं सकते. अब डर लगने लगा है कि यहाँ पर जाएंगे and we may contract this. So these are the alarming system. Now we are teaching our bodies to learn these alarming, and that is the way we are going to help ourselves to keep physically, at least physically healthy, by social distancing and all these things which are given. And this is the new challenge which we are facing at this moment. Yeah. So the different coping strategies, what I'm talking about, these are the things now we will talk about, different coping strategies, how we can cope with this situation. Yeah. So the first one is family and friends. Yes, definitely. Stay connected to your friends and family. That is very, very important, because they are the ones who will give you all the positive thoughts. And especially remember to have friends who are positive. There are friends who will give you negative information and negative, but try to be in touch with those people who can advise you positively. So that will help you out. And to those trusted friends to whom you can tell everything what you are going through, and be connected with your family and friends. Yes. The next, helping others. This is also very important, like how we can help and support people, because you all know that whenever you help others, you are helping yourself, by your increasing your neurotransmitters. They say that when you are helping others, your dopamine level increases, your serotonin level increases, and that increases your happiness. So it is very, very important, whenever you are seeing somebody in trouble, if you go and help that person, instead of not only helping that person, on the other hand, you are helping yourself. So always remember to help people in this time of trouble. And also, we all know about Sonu Sood. He is the one, now he has become a hero. Like how alone he has taken this initiation, and he is helping other people, as well as this NGO on whom I have been connected, Ek Prayas. They are also doing a wonderful work by helping people. So yes, through all these our activities, we can help others, and on the उसके साथ ही साथ हम अपने आप को भी help करते हैं. Right. Yeah. Talk about your worries. A problem shared is a problem halved. Yeah, very true. Because talking about your feeling is not a sign of weakness. It's a part of taking charge of your well-being and doing what you can do to stay healthy. It's okay if you are not okay. Right? This is very important. It's okay if you are not okay. So if you are feeling anything troubled, if you are troubled, so we can talk our worries to someone who is a trusted person. Just talk to your feelings to somebody in your family, someone, your friend, so that you can feel lighter, whatever problems you have. Yeah, next. Yeah, minimize news feed. That is very, very important. And सबसे पहली चीज हम, whenever we are talking to someone who wants to take some help from us, we tell them, just minimize your news feed. बिल्कुल मत सुने, कोई भी न्यूज ना सुने, मोबाइल अपना ऑफ कर दे. Just put off your mobile. क्योंकि बहुत सारी ये जो the news which comes, they give you the same news time and again. बार बार वही चीज, इतने लोग मर गए, इतने लोग ये हो रहा है, इतने लोगों को ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिली, ये हो रहा, वो हो रहा, and the different interviews that how bad the situation is. No, just don't listen to all these things, because continuously if you are listening to this, they play an important role. They bring the stress in your mind, in your brain. So just don't listen all these things, and try to yes, you should be aware of it, what's happening around. That is important, but don't listen that continuously. And go to the like if you want to go to the authentic websites, you listen there. WHO है, आप उनके उससे जो भी न्यूज़ अगर कोई है, कोई रिसर्च है, कोई स्टडीज है, आप इंटरनेट पे वो देख सकते हैं. जो भी मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड वेलफेयर, जो फैमिली वेलफेयर वाली है, you can learn from there if you really want to see what they are talking about, what is the news. And also go to the authentic news channels which are giving you the right news. So that is what we can suggest the person who is undergoing all this stress and distress. Yeah, be active. That is very important. आजकल जो हम देखने में आता है कि एक्टिविटी बिल्कुल खत्म हो गई है. They are just, we are like, I see the younger generation, especially the younger generation, they don't want to play. Outdoor games बिल्कुल खत्म हो गए हैं. And now this is a pandemic time, lockdown time is going on, and everybody is now in the house. So at least you can do these exercises. These regular exercises are very, very important because they boost your self-esteem, and you can concentrate, you can sleep better, you can feel better, because the blood will rush over to all your body. It will circulate throughout your body, and it is very important. क्योंकि अगर आप कोई एक्सरसाइज नहीं करेंगे, घर में बैठे रहेंगे, तो कैसे आपका खून जो है वो बॉडी में चारों ओर दौड़ेगा? नहीं हो सकता है. तो it is very important if you do these exercises, simple exercises हैं, it is the only thing you have to take out some time. आप आधा घंटा ही निकाले, 20 मिनट निकाले, लेकिन ये जरूर करें, ये exercises जरूर करें. Be active, because the same thing which I said earlier, a healthy body will keep a healthy mind. So mentally, if you want to keep yourself healthy, you have to be active. And that is very, very necessary. So all these online exercise classes are going on. You can do dancing, playing the active video games, jumping rope, muscle strength and balance. And all these things you can do very well in your home. Yes. Yeah. Eat well. Again, everyone knows that we have to eat well. All the nutritive food. ये तो बहुत अच्छा हुआ है कि अब ये सब बंद हो गए हैं. All those fast food वाली चीजें, and people when they are staying at home and they are eating homemade food. So now they say, yes, homemade food is also very tasty, no doubt. तो अच्छा है. It is very good that people are understanding that they should eat home food. क्योंकि ये सारी जो हमारी immunity जो है, healthy diet is the key to boost your immunity. Yes, because immunity बढ़ाने के लिए हमें ये घर के खाना जो है वो अच्छा खाना बहुत जरूरी है. Fruits है, dry fruits है, and all the vegetables. Yeah. Take care of yourself. Yes. हमें खुद से अपनी केयर करना है, ये बहुत जरूरी है. Practice a routine. Keep up with daily routines as far as possible, or make a new ones. Get up and go to bed at similar times every day. This is important. The time when we are getting up, छुट्टी तो चल रही है, कुछ करना नहीं है, 10 बजे उठ रहे हैं, 11 बजे उठ रहे हैं. So this is not good. Whatever the time, get up early, go to bed early. That is very important. Keep up with the personal hygiene. Right, this is also very important. लोग घर में रह रहे हैं तो नहा नहीं रहे हैं, 2-2 दिन 3-3 दिन नहाना धोना सब बंद है. तो उससे क्या होता है कि mentally you don't feel active, है ना. मन जो है वो उतना अच्छा नहीं रहता है. But once you are taking care of your personal hygiene, आप बाल बना रहे हैं, तैयार भी हो रहे हैं, and जो work from home जो चल रहा है उसमें अच्छा है कि लोग बराबर से तैयार हो रहे हैं ना. They should get ready and do their work like how they were going to the office and they were doing. So that is important. Eat healthy meals at regular times. Healthy meals, already we have talked about the meals, and at regular time. ये नहीं है कि you are having your breakfast at 11 o'clock, then lunch at 6 o'clock, and dinner at again 11 o'clock in the night. No, eat healthy meals at the proper time, regular times as well as the proper times. Take medicine on time. Yes, you have to cooperate with whatever the doctor has told you, because that is very important, and you have to take the medicine on time. Take You have to take care of yourself. Exercise regularly as instructed by the doctor. Allocate time for working and time for resting. And make time for doing things you enjoy. This is very important. Make time for doing things you enjoy. क्योंकि इसी से हमें खुशी मिलती है. Like if you are good in painting, take out some time, do some painting, right? अगर आपको खुशी मिलती है कुछ नई रेसिपी ट्राई करने में, go to the kitchen, do something, कुछ नया चीज आप बनाए, do something creativity. क्रिएटिव होना बहुत जरूरी है. तो उससे you feel, if you are good in music, you are trying to learn some instruments. आजकल there are so many on the internet, there are so many apps that you can learn any instrument. So try doing that. Gardening is another a very good hobby. Take that hobby. So when you plant new plants, you will see how they bloom, how the flowers they come. You feel happy. New buds are coming, new leaves are coming. You feel happy. It gives you that inner happiness comes up. So try doing all these things which you enjoy. That will help you to keep your mental health strong. Yeah. Stop discrimination. Yes. So this is also important because we should be knowing, we should be kind. Fear is a normal reaction in situation of uncertainty, right? But when the fear comes up, when we know that this person was suffering from COVID, people try to discriminate. They fear कि इससे हमें हो तो नहीं जाएगा, अलग हटो, ये अलग है, this is contagious. No. Don't discriminate. Just stop discriminating. Don't discriminate against health workers. जो health workers है कि ये लोग जाते हैं, इनसे हमें कोविड ना हो जाए. Don't think that way. मैंने एक बार न्यूज़ पढ़ी थी, आया था कि किसी को पता चला, वो किराए से कहीं रहती थी. That lady was staying there. And the landlord, one fine day, he came to know that she is going and this about the corona, and he said that you just vacate my house, आप हमारा घर खाली करके चले जाओ. तो इस तरह का जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन आ रहा है ये नहीं होना चाहिए. In fact, we should be happy and we should pay our gratitude to these people. Yeah. This I have already talked. Practice your hobby, what you love doing, your activities. It will help you to boost up your neurotransmitters. So enjoy.